Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add Spotify widget to your iPhone. So how to add Spotify widget on iPhone is very simple. The first thing you want to do, I want you to just tap and hold on the home screen. Just tap and hold on any place on the home screen. So once you tap and hold on it, the apps will be shaking. Once they are shaking, then check the top left corner. Once you check the top left corner, you're going to see edit over there. I want you to tap on that edit. So once you tap on edit, it will pop up something for you. So on that, I want you to tap on add widget. So once you tap on add widget, I want you to check the search bar here where it says search widgets. So tap on the search widgets. So I want you to search for Spotify, the app you want to add. So once you search for Spotify here, it will bring out Spotify for you. So once it brings it out, then you want to tap on add, then the widget will be added successfully. But to be able to add this widget to your iPhone, you need to download Spotify from the App Store first. You need to have it installed on your iPhone. Once you have it downloaded and installed to your iPhone, then you can easily add it by following these steps I just gave you. So guys, this is how you can actually add Spotify widgets to your iPhone successfully. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.